of all, we will discuss how to install this Zotero Reference Manager and its plugins. This Zotero Reference Manager is available for Mac, Windows and Linux machines. Here you can find the download button. You can click on this download button and here you can see Zotero 6 for Windows and Zotero connector. First we will install Zotero 6 for Windows. I'm going to click on this download button and it is downloaded and extracting. The installation process almost same in other platform. You can go and say next, standard version. You can set the path where the tool is going to be installed and you can say next and complete it, and you can click on the finish button. Alright, next we will install Zotero connector. Here I'm using Microsoft Edge web browser, so we are going to install the extension for Microsoft Edge web browser. If you are using some of the other web browser, you can install the extension for the web browser. Here you can click on the install Edge connector. You can wait for a couple of seconds. You can click on the get button, checking. Yes, here you can click on the add extension and it is added to Microsoft Edge web browser. Here you can see the Zotero connector. That's great. I'm going to start these sessions with a brief tour on Zotero Reference Manager. This is a standard interface of Zotero Reference Manager. On the top left corner we have menu bar. Here we have file, edit, view, tools and help. Below that we can see the collection. Here we can create new collection and new library. Below that we have the my library. Under my library we have 4 sections. First one we have my publication. Under my publications you can store all of your publications, and here we have duplicate items. If you have any similar items, that will be shown under these duplicate items. Later on we can merge them all into one item. You can move item into collections. Any of the items which are not moved under any collections will be shown under unfiled items. Here we have trace. If you have deleted any items, that will be shown under this trace, and you can delete permanently or you can recover them later. Here we have text selector. You can see all the text relevant to your articles. On the right side we have item span. On the item span you can see all 4 items. I will be discussing this later. That's fine. Here we have some controls. First one we have new item. You can add new item, or we can add items by an identifier. Here we can add items by using ISBN number or DOI or PubMed ID. Here we have new standalone notes. We can keep a note about a particular item. Next one we have attachment. You can attach a link to a file, or we can keep a documents along with the source. Next one we have advanced search. We can search based on the title or the author's details. Fine. Next we have the search. We can search using the fields and text.
Hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the ring bell. Then you will be notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much guys. We'll meet in the next video. Goodbye for now.